Elma. Elma is an end-to-end mobile commerce platform, and we felt that we must name something different. You know, there are so many M's around: M-Pesa, M-Casho, M-Transact. I don't know which are the M's. So we wanted to give out a name which is slightly easy to pronounce, slightly feminine name, possibly to attract attention, and that's how we came with a name called Elma. What we also felt is how many times somebody would do a transaction. You know, I would pay one light bill, one DSTV, or one KPLC bill here and there. What do you do for rest of the 25 days in a month? So we said, let's also bring in a lot of functionalities which are not finance related functionalities. For example, I want to do my buying and selling of my shares, I want to get currency rates, some subscription payments, I want to do some health appointments, some polls and surveys, traffic cameras, breaking news, getting health tips. I can also get my horoscope, love tips, life tips, kissing tips, all those things are here. It's also connected to social networking website like Facebook. So, for example, a typical scenario, I want to buy airtime. When I get an airtime coupon, I want to send it to a Facebook friend of mine. I can do it right from here, where I can buy the airtime, pick the money from my bank account. Once the airtime coupon is there, I send it now to Facebook friend. Because it also connects to your bank, you can get all the banking details like account details, account balance, and all those things. We also have a prepaid card. So people who do not have a bank account, when they enroll for Elma, we give them a free card which is from MasterCard, which allows you to load money and do transactions on it. Interestingly, it's also an open platform. So what happens is we have written a couple of applications on Elma, but maybe there is a person who wants to write an application for collecting rent. Now, if they come to us, for us, we might think this is not an application that goes to everybody, so we may not be interested in writing it. So this third party developer or a programmer, he can write an application using our SDK, and that application is now available on the Elma platforms. When he writes on Elma, he doesn't have to worry whether the application is running on an Android phone or a BlackBerry or iPhone or those Chinese phones or Nokia phones, wherever. He writes it out, and that software is available now on all his phones. Because I'm sure programmers here know that it is a serious challenge for you to write an application which is available on all the phones. So SDK is provided free, you can write for it. We also do a developers conference twice a month. So if you feel that you want to see how it works or you want to use it, you are most welcome to our place. Finally, how do we make money? Now, if you are connected to a bank, we charge customers $1 per month for unlimited number of transactions. He does one transaction, he does 50 transactions. The cost is fixed, just $1. And I hope it works, because technology doesn't really work at the last moment. Anyway, I'm glad it works. Okay, you can see the menus, yeah. The menus are very simple and basic, and these menus can be customized to the way you want it. We have an option for business, a lifestyle, entertainment, my profile, and my programs. So all the third-party developer programs will appear under my programs. Let's go to business, for example. Under business, I have my bank accounts. You see, interestingly, if I have 3 bank accounts, one in Equatorial, one in Equity, and one somewhere else, I don't need to use 3 different mobile banking software to access my accounts. With a one platform like this, I can access all my accounts through one software, which makes my life much easier. So you have my bank accounts, my transaction, utility payments, airtime top up, paying a merchant, some trading markets, forex rate, business tools. Let's give you just an example on how it works. For example, I go to a utility payment. I can pay for KPLC, Nairobi Water, all the utility providers are here. If I do a KPLC payment, so by default it gives you my KPLC account number, the amount I want to pay, and interestingly here where the money is coming from. It's coming from my Equatorial account, it's coming from my MasterCard or any other bank that I have linked on this particular platform. It's now our responsibility to go to that bank, pick up the money and take the money to KPLC. Also things like trading market, for example, if I am very active on stock market, I can see who are the top gainers, top losers, member companies. For example, let's say how is Access Kenya doing. So this is how Access Kenya is doing as we speak. We also have an option for graph, for example. It now actually plots out how the company has been performing. Some forex rates, for example, I want to see. So these are all the business related things that I can do. I can go to lifestyle. I can see the traffic cameras. I can read Bible if I want. I can see directories, some weather forecasts, some roads and routes. If I go to entertainment, for example, I can do a messaging from one person to the other. I can see which movies are running. I can see horoscope. I want to laugh a bit. I would go to jokes and possibly get a joke to make me laugh. And couple of these applications, for example, you see a polls and survey here, the last one. This is a third-party application. It's not an application that is written by us. It's written by somebody else, but me as a user, I'm using this application because I have loaded it. So this guy is just was testing something. So he has an option for like 2012 elections, and now people are voting for this kind of polls, and the address and the results of these polls are now going to the third programmer who has uploaded this provided these applications. If I go to my programs, for example, these are some more third-party applications somebody has written, which I have loaded, like micro insurance, some ticketing, petty cash application, some connectivity, some e-mobilis. We were some guys from e-mobilis. They wrote some applications available here, which is also here. So when we click on that particular application, this particular screen that you see here now comes from their servers. It's not coming from our servers. So that's what we have on Elma, and I wanted to possibly have some